Please note, throughout this video, it is assumed that the user is familiar with the X80 wireless camera system and X-Series Network Manager software. More training videos can be found at BuckEyecam.com. Now that your selected AI object detection software package is installed, you're now able to add one or several AI object detection profiles for your network. To set up your AI profiles, click the menu bars in the upper right corner of the software window. Click the Notifications button and scroll down to AI Object Detection, then click the Edit button. To create an AI Object Detection profile, click the Add Detection Profile button. First, you'll name the profile something like Person or Vehicle, and make the profile active or turn it off at any time. Upon creating a profile, the Profile is Active button is inherently set to On, indicated by the Yes button being highlighted. While building a profile, you will choose which cameras you want to apply the profile to. To do this, in the Profiles Applies to Cameras section, click the Change button. This will display a list of cameras on your system. Here you can choose one or all cameras in the list by clicking the checkbox next to the list of cameras. Once your desired cameras for the profile have been selected, click the Done button. Next, you will want to click the Add New Target button. This is where you will select new detection targets of interest for the profile. People, vehicles, animals, or even a light from a vehicle can be chosen individually or in any combination for the profile. Once your target or targets of interest are selected, click Done. Next, you can choose action items for the profile. You can set the time of day the profile is active. You can set pictures of targets of interest to be emailed. You can save AI/OD images from cameras with assigned profiles to a specific folder on your computer. You can set your software to speak when an object of interest is detected. Or, you can play a sound when an object of interest is detected. You can also set otherwise actions for when nothing is detected that matches the AI profile target of interest criteria. When you are done creating the profile, click the Update button in the upper right-hand corner of the software window to save the profile. It is important to note that you can edit by clicking the Edit button or delete the profile after the profile has been created by clicking the red trash can icon. Now that your profile is set up and applied to your desired cameras, you can manage detection zones for each specific camera on your system. To do this, navigate to the Network view. Click a desired camera that has an AI profile applied to it. This will open the camera control panel, and a Detection Zones button will display in the list of commands. Click the button to begin adding a detection zone for the camera. Detection zones are used to filter images based on their location in the frame as defined by you. It is important to note that if no detection zones are defined, your entire picture frame will apply targets of interest to the entire image. You can add zones of interest, known as ZOIs, to cameras with applied AI object detection profiles, and this will alert you to targets of interest for the profile with the subject touches at least one zone of interest in the picture. To add ZOIs, click the Add ZOI button and a box will appear on the image. Drag the box over your desired area and the AI object detection will focus solely on the zone you define. In this same area, you are able to add zones of suppression, known as ZOSs. This is particularly helpful when AI analysis mistakes a tree or other items in your setup as a target of interest. When a ZOS is defined, any objects touching the zone of suppression will be removed from the list of detected targets and filtered out. To add ZOSs, click the Add ZOS button, and a box will appear on the image. Then drag the box over your desired area that you want to exclude, and the AI object detection will be forced not to analyze your select ZOS area for that camera. You can run up to 3 ZOIs or ZOSs at a time. ZOIs and ZOSs can be deleted from the camera at any time by clicking the red X next to the profile. And that's it. You're now set up with AI object detection and can stay in control of what you want to see the most by implementing AI profiles and detection zones on your system. For more information or for additional support, go to BuckEyecam.com or call our support team at 1-866-325-8172.